goofy dog. I don't know if I'll be getting over there. We'll see though. Lead the way. Lead the way, buddy. You got it. Keep going. Oh, where are you going? Go this way. Come on. There you go. Got this gremlin behind me. Oh gosh, that was deep. Dude, you're stepping on my feet. So there's the cold plunge. You know, might as well just get naked and jump in the snow. It's basically the same thing. So I got to the cold plunge, cleared it off, and it's empty. There was so much snow on top of it that it just pinched the hose, and so no water is getting in. So I'm filling it right now. I don't know how long it'll take. I'm hoping I'm going to try and get some of this snow in there that I can, that's still on half of it, in there to help that water level. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I don't know if you can see in there, but that's the bench that I don't actually sit on that because then I'd be out of the water, but I'll get in and out from there. And then, yeah, that's the floor of it right there, is the hose. That's about how fast it's going to fill up from the creek. So, we'll see what happens, or how long this takes. This absolutely sucks. I can't see shit, so I don't even know if this is going to be that great of a video. My feet are already so cold. Holy crap. Also, just it is fucking cold. Ooh. Why do I do this to myself? Alright. Oh. That's fucking cold. Cold as shit. Holy crap. Not bad. Oh. Oh my god. I'm not gonna be in here for too long. My feet hurt so bad. And I have to walk pretty damn far to my place in the snow. Oh god. Whew. Damn. Sun feels good. There's so much snow. What the hell? Here goes nothing, I guess. Holy shit. Oh, this is a terrible idea. My feet are actually in pain, so I got a pretty long walk back. Painful. Alright, fuck the shoes.